welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I am thrilled to show you this wig today. Like, this is my dream hair. I absolutely love it. Jon Renau, they did it again, and I am obsessed. I'm pretty much obsessed. So, you guys, this is a new Smart Lace wig by Jon Renau. They just launched a bunch of pretty ones, and this one, ooh, it is good. What do you think? I mean, long hair, it speaks to me. I always wanted long hair. I didn't have long hair. I didn't have thick hair. I wanted the hair that my Barbies had. I envied my Barbie hair. And this fulfills the Barbie hair need. I just love it. Okay, so this is called Avery. This is one of Jon Renau's new wigs in their Smart Lace collection for spring 2023. And this color right here is one of my favorites. It has been my favorite color since day one, since I first started wearing Jon Renau wigs. This is part of their chocolate collection, and this is called Toffee Truffle. I've talked about Toffee Truffle quite a bit, and the code for that is FS63027. So Toffee Truffle in the wig Avery. I love the name Avery. It's actually my grandpa's name. He is Avery from Louisiana. I don't come from the South, but my grandpa did. And so I have a special place for the name Avery. In fact, I wanted to name one of my kids Avery, or use that as a middle name. I didn't end up doing that, but I really do love the name, and this wig is beautiful. So anyway, about Avery by Jon Renau, you guys, have you seen the other styles? They are equally amazing, so I suggest you guys go check those out. But let's talk about this here wig. But first, let's go over what Toffee Truffle looks like. They describe this as a brown, a medium red gold, and a medium red gold blonde, all blended. And then what you have is a medium gold blonde bold highlight. It is definitely a warmer brunette with that gold in there, but it is absolutely divine. When I bought my first topper from Jon Renau, it was Toffee Truffle, and I've been a Toffee Truffle fan ever since. You give me something in Toffee Truffle, and it's like receiving a box of chocolates. Super sweet, luscious, divine. That's what you have with Toffee Truffle. So, okay, Avery. Avery is a synthetic lace front wig with a monofilament top. Let me show you guys a closer look of that lace front. I think it looks really, really good. They have kind of that lighter color right up at the front hairline, and I think it helps to make that hairline more invisible and sheer. They did a great job. I really love it. This is an average size wig, and I wear average in the majority of wig brands, especially Jon Renau. This fits really well from ear to ear, front to nape. It feels wonderful. I would definitely say that this is true average in size. The density on Avery is considered light to medium. It does have a very natural look. It's not like one of those really thick horse's tail wigs where it's so thick that there's no way that a human could grow that. I mean, I know there are humans out there that do grow really thick long hair, and that's not fair. But anyway, this here wig is light medium. Like, it's not stringy, but it looks natural, yet gives you some great thickness, but not overly thick, not overly heavy. What I love about this wig is, of course, the length, and it just has this beautiful, elegant, long, cascading look to it. You have these slight long layers that, you know, taper into the rest of the length, and it's just absolutely beautiful. And I would definitely say that elegant is a great term for this Avery wig. You have gorgeous silky strands that fall to your mid back, depending on, you know, how tall you are or whatnot. But let me do a full turnaround so you guys can see Avery from all angles. Because of these long mermaid tresses, you have endless styling abilities. I mean, you think about it, you can do it. Braids, twists, ponytails, pigtails, you can do it. And because it has that lace front, beautiful lace front and monofilament top, part it however you wish. If you want it more side swept, either side, left or right, do it. If you want it sweeped across the forehead, by all means. If you want that popular, trendy middle part, my girls would say that would be what you need to do. So it looks great. It looks great with the middle part. It looks great with the side part. Do a diagonal part if you'd like. Pull it away from the face. You can do that as well. Twist it. Really, with this type of hair, this length of hair, possibilities are endless. Okay, so let's take off Avery and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. Okay, so what you have with this cap is a lace front and single monofilament top. You have the Jon Renau Smart Lace, this welded lace front. It mimics a natural hairline, and the hairs are hand tied one by one. You have this single monofilament top. This allows for multi-directional parting, and it provides the appearance of natural hair growth. So part it every which way, and it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. The rest of this cap features an open wefted cap that's great for air ventilation, keeping you nice and cool. You have velvet ear tabs and a velvet nape that allows smooth customization with the bendable wire in those ear tabs. And then you have the adjustable tabs. This allows the wearer to adjust the circumference of this wig. Now take a closer look of this beautiful Toffee Truffle. I don't have a lot of natural light coming in. I do have all my blinds open, but it's just been so dark and rainy. So I have these ring lights. Do be mindful that all colors look different on the screen, on your computer, on your phone, and with various lighting situations. So check out multiple pictures and reviews to get a close-up view of this color on different skin tones and with different lighting situations. But you do see that there's a lot of dimension. It's warm and it's so pretty. Okay, let's put Avery back on. So the bang on Avery is 15 inches. Your crown is 19 inches. The nape on this gorgeous Avery wig is 20 inches long. Your sides are also 20 inches, and the product weight for Avery is 6.5 ounces. Let's talk about the care of your wigs, of your synthetic wigs. It is recommended that you wash your hair every 6 to 8 wears. Of course, that depends on your circumstances, what you're doing with your wig on, what it's exposed to. I mean, if you work out in your wig, of course, it's going to get pretty grimy quicker than if you aren't sweating and, you know, getting that residue in the cap. Makeup, product, things like that is going to make it so you need to wash your wig more frequently. But like I mentioned in most of my videos, before you wash your wig, before you do anything really, before you put your wig away, before you put your wig on, detangle it with this nifty Jon Renau wide tooth comb. This is a lifesaver. You want to use a wide tooth comb on your synthetic fiber. It's just a lot more gentle. You don't want to grab, you know, a rough brush and just rip through the fibers. That is going to make your fibers look rough and frizzy. It's going to wear the fibers out, and it's not going to look refreshed and new as long as you want. And when we invest in these wigs, take care of them. Help them look fabulous for as long as possible. And using a wide tooth comb, gently detangling, that is going to help you. I highly suggest putting a comb in your car, in your purse, especially when you wear wigs of this length. It tends to get a little tangly, friction frizz. So there are things you can do to minimize the tangles, but having a wide tooth comb on hand, that's going to help you. I love using the Jon Renau products, using products that is specifically formulated for this synthetic fiber. It's going to rejuvenate the fibers. It's going to help your fibers look as good as possible for as long as possible as well. I highly suggest investing in good hair care products, because if you're going to buy the wig, you might as well, invest in the care products as well. When you wash your hair, another really good tip is don't scrub or like tangle the hair like you would your biological hair. You want to gently put some of that shampoo and rub it down on the fibers, making it go all one direction. Just, minimize the tangling, minimize the matting. And instead of dunking your hair in a tub and swishing it around and adding to those tangles, rinse it, get it wet in cool running water. That keeps the strands running in the same direction, and you minimize that tangling. Once your hair is washed, I highly suggest using the Jon Renau conditioner. You spray that, gently comb the hair, and put it on a wig stand. You do not want to put your wet wigs on a blockhead, because that can stretch the wig cap. The nice thing about synthetic fiber is you wash it, you comb it, you shake it out, and you let it just air dry. And you're going to obtain the beautiful style that it came. It's going to look like you flat ironed it, barrel curled it without doing so, because the styles are essentially baked into the fiber. Applying the HD Smooth Detangler, that's going to help, especially with your really, really long wigs. I use this product daily. I use it on every wig, every brand of wigs. It is that good. I like to use this product before I put my wig on, and when I take my wig off, before I box it up, I give it a nice detangle, and I use this spray. Really focus on the bottom where it gets tangly and frizzy and kind of rough looking, and that's going to help your wig maintain its beautiful look. Don't use heat on your synthetic fibers. You don't want to melt it. Don't use your curling irons and things like that. It will melt the fiber. Of course, you wouldn't want to blow dry your synthetic style after you wash it. Simply let it air dry. So there are 4 arrivals, including this Avery wig. You have Idalia, Avery, Aria, and Madison. So you guys check out those 4 styles. They are so, so pretty. I mean, you have 2 long ones, you have a short bob, and then you have like a mid-length long bob. They're just all wonderful. I'm really excited about this new launch, and I'm really thrilled to share this here particular Avery wig with you guys today. She is my jam. I love her. So anyway, give me your thoughts. What do you think about the other styles? In fact, I am going to show you guys on the screen what the other styles look like. Give me your thoughts. What style is your favorite? What one would you like to try? As far as colors, do you guys like this brown warm shade Toffee Truffle? And what do you think of Avery by Jon Renau? Comments below, give me a like and subscribe if this was helpful, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.